This 2025 Lance Squire 605 is a truck camper RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Lance is 14 feet 5 inches in length and features a bronzite interior, sleeps 4, smoke detector, self-contained, auxiliary battery, TV antenna, water heater, stovetop burner, LP detector, TV, refrigerator, external shower, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this truck camper features bunk over cab, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.